Hello, and welcome to your daily Solana update. Solana has really only moved sideways since yesterday. There isn't much going on this chart. I think they're all waiting for Bitcoin, these altcoins. The altcoin sector is very sleepy. They've fallen asleep, these altcoins. Nothing impulsive to the upside, at least not. So nothing clearly bullish here. Yes, on the Solana chart, we are still tracking the yellow scenario, which is the bullish one. It is absolutely valid, and I think it definitely has its place, but I see it with a healthy, with a lot of skepticism, let's say it like that. And the reason is that the entire sector at the moment is not in a good state. But as I said, the yellow count has its space. It is valid, but the microstructure doesn't give me a clear signal at this stage that wave 2 in yellow has bottomed. All right, so when can we say that wave 2 in yellow has bottomed? Well, I need a 5-wave move up. And what we've seen there from this week's low, where the price bottomed locally around $123, this is not yet enough for a confirmation. It's not even a 5-wave move. The rally is only, if you want to call it a rally, it's not really a rally. It's a small upside reaction, which hasn't even formed a higher high. So it's highly speculative, and let's say that the move to the upside has only been in 3 waves. And that means we have to keep the door open for lower prices. So, sure, it is in 3 waves. It can always turn into a larger 3-wave move, all right? Can always turn into a larger 3-wave move, or it could be a diagonal pattern. But then I still need the 5 waves, okay? I need this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So until I get that, there is no confirmation that wave 2 has bottomed. I showed you yesterday the white count, which is a very aggressive 1-2-1-2 setup to the downside. This is a scenario in which we are actually going down lower. And here this was a 1, 2, 1, 2. I don't like this count. It's only marked with a question mark anyway, but I don't like it because the first wave 2 here is so small, but it's valid. Okay, but it would be the direct bearish path to the downside. Looking at latest price action, see when we get new data in, new wave counts, new projections emerge, the blue count seems to make sense to me. What's the blue count? The blue count allows for a larger wave 1 to the downside, and then an A, B, C to the upside in wave 2 before we go lower. That is, I think, likely, because the move up was in 3 waves from the Tuesday low or Wednesday low, and the move down was also in 3 waves. So it could be an AB with a C wave to come. These are pretty much the 3 scenarios I see at the moment. Yellow, highly speculative, would need to prove itself. So it's all about understanding when the market will give us clarity. Okay, so when will the market give us clarity? Clarity is good. We need 5 waves up. So if the yellow scenario can form 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then this would be clearly leading. As long as we only see a 3-wave move, or even a larger 3-wave move, it would rather be bearish, okay, and keeps the door open for lower. And I think that is just summarized as simple as possible what this chart currently does. It is ambiguous at the moment on the micro level, but it's very clear what we need to see to clearly favor one of these scenarios. I'm very skeptical about the yellow count, and I'm starting to lean a little bit towards blue, but it takes a break below $119.59 to clearly favor the bearish interpretation, because the yellow scenario will reduce in probabilities. At the moment, we are hovering in a support region from where we would typically watch for an upside reaction. But due to the current state of the market, I want to see a first solid 5-wave move to the upside, and that hasn't shown yet. Further resistances are here around $161 and then $163. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.